In this video, we're going to show you how to conduct your first instant support session. Instant support enables you to quickly and easily provide customer service or IT support to people who don't or can't have remote access software installed. Connect in seconds, fix the problem, and leave no software footprint behind. Please note that instant support only provides attended remote access via our cloud service, so the person you are trying to help must be sitting in front of their computer, and you must both be connected to the internet. To see whether the instant support capability has been successfully added to your VNC Connect subscription, sign in to your RealVNC account online and examine the billing page. You should see a positive number of technicians and a number left to allocate. To make yourself an instant support technician, visit the People page and tick the Technician checkbox. Download VNC Viewer to your desktop computer and sign in using your RealVNC account credentials. You should see an Instant Support button. Click to start a session. A unique 9-digit session code appears. You'll need to communicate this code to the person you want to help out of band. For example, over the phone, via email, or SMS. They don't need to enter the hyphens. Tell the person to navigate to www.realvnc.help in their web browser. They need to download the Run Once app and enter the code when prompted. They'll have to confirm a privacy warning explaining you'll be able to see their screen and control their computer. The session starts. You now share control of the remote mouse and keyboard with the owner, so you might want to tell them not to touch them. You can do this via live chat. If you are connected to a Windows computer, you'll need to elevate session permissions to perform certain tasks, such as responding to a UAC prompt or controlling an administrative application. To do this, click the Elevate toolbar button. If you don't have a set of system credentials for the remote computer, prompt the owner to enter theirs. If you do, enter them in this dialog. Now you can run your own administrative command prompt. You can transfer files to and from the remote computer. Open the File Browser dialog, which is a view on the remote file system, and upload your files to their computer. You can download their files to your computer. If you need to reboot the remote computer, it's best to do so using the Power toolbar button. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to resume the session seamlessly when their operating system powers back up. Otherwise, you'll have to start over with a new session. Either party can end the session at any time. A record of the session is stored in your RealVNC account online. Examine the Sessions page, and if you have an enterprise subscription, you can drill down to examine the session log in more detail. Thanks for watching!